Will a new mattress soften up? If you've recently bought a new mattress and it feels a bit too firm, you might be wondering if it will soften up over time. Let's break it down to help you understand what's happening with your new bed. First, it's important to know that most new mattresses go through a break-in period. This is the time it takes for the mattress to adjust to your body and reach its full intended feel and firmness. During this period, the materials in the mattress need time to expand, stretch, and settle after being compressed and shipped to your home. For most mattresses, especially those made of memory foam or hybrid materials, this break-in period can last anywhere from 30 to 90 days. As you sleep on the mattress, the materials will start to mold to your body's contours, making the mattress more comfortable over time. Here's what happens during this break-in period. The pressure from your body helps relax the components of the mattress, allowing it to soften and conform more closely to your sleeping form. This process creates a natural body impression that promotes healthy spine alignment and restorative rest. To speed up this process, you can try a few things. Letting the mattress air out by opening a bedroom window can help clear away any off-gassing odors and allow the materials to breathe. Adding weight to the mattress by placing heavy items like books or boxes and moving them around can increase the flexibility of the foam. Sleeping on it as much as possible and making the room slightly warmer can also help soften the foam faster. It's also worth noting that different types of mattresses behave differently. For example, foam mattresses tend to be softer and conform closely to the body, while inner spring mattresses are generally firmer and more bouncy. Hybrid mattresses combine the best of both worlds, offering a balance of support and comfort. In summary, yes, your new mattress will likely soften up over time as it breaks in. Be patient and give it the time it needs to adjust to your body. With a little patience and some simple steps to speed up the process, you'll be enjoying a comfortable night's sleep in no time.